To make the creamy milk, the shredded meat enters the steam blanching tunnel. The steam sorbisteria.
Speed is key. Every can is sealed instantly to lock in freshness. Finally, the product gets its identity. From a tropical palm tree to your pantry, the journey is complete.
Before shipping, the acidity is checked to ensure the perfect balance of flavor.
Safety is paramount. The milk is verified to be 100% sterile. Nothing goes to waste. The hard shells are converted into eco-friendly charcoal. Meanwhile, the outer fibrous husks undergo their own transformation. Sun-dried to perfection, turning waste into gold. Even the dust is valuable. It becomes premium soil for gardeners. Milk, charcoal, and fiber. 3 industries from one humble nut. Remember the water we drained earlier? It enters its own dedicated processing line.
Flash heating preserves the natural electrolytes while ensuring safety.
For premium oil, the process changes. First, the moisture is gently removed. centrifugal force purifies the oil without using chemicals. A foil seal ensures the product remains tamper-proof.
The dry leftovers from the oil process are not discarded. They are destined for the bakery.
This creates coconut flour, a popular gluten-free alternative.
When production stops, the cleaning begins. The CIP system flushes every pipe automatically.
In the test kitchen, chefs verify that the flavor profile remains authentic.
Thousands of tons leave this facility every month. From the tropics to supermarkets around the globe. Sustainability is key. Wastewater is treated to generate clean biogas energy. Supporting local farmers ensures the highest quality harvest for years to come. Precision engineering.
A Platella Penfoy delivers nature's best directly to you.
Rich, creamy, and authentic.
Made with care by experts.
Enjoyed the process? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more industrial insights. Check out these other fascinating factory tours.